Hey guys, this is my 1978 Pioneer Sx650. She's a great stereo. What is it, 44 years old? She works great, but no lighty whiteys. So we're gonna try to do something about that. We're gonna get into it. We're gonna replace the lights inside there and show you guys how. All right, we're replacing the lights here. So we got the kit. Here's the light. Hey guys, don't try this at home if you've never soldered before. Don't even try it. All right, I just gotta hit them real quick. A little bit of solder. Okay. Okay. We'll solder that one. Okay, guys, you gotta put the flux on all 4 wires. And then put the solder on it, or it's not gonna stick. Okay, gotta get some solder on your, some flux and some solder on your tip. And then you start, so here we go. We're gonna fuse these little buggers together. Put this down. I think I'm gonna wrap them like this. So we're taking the wires and we're twisting them in a straight line together. Alright, put some solder here. Here we go. Alright. So here we go, guys. This little wire for the little light. Got one more to do, and then we'll be done. So here we go, we're up to the second wire. And this is the light bulb right here. Second light is what I meant to say. So we're gonna flex the end of the each end of the wire has been flexed already. And so all I'm doing is getting some solder onto the actual wire. Alright. Looking for some fusion here. We're gonna wrap the wires together. Here we go. Be very careful not to jerk wires. This is an old deck, you know, 1978 right here. Okay. I'll show the wire in a second because I didn't know the other one. We're not pulling these together and wiring them together. We're wiring them in a straight line. Okay, guys. Okay, you see that? It's in a straight line, yellow to black wire. And this way we can put the jacket over. Now I got the solder done. I'm gonna take this little shrink wrap, heat shrink wire wrap, and we're gonna pull it up. Make sure you offset the wires so they don't touch next to each other. So you can just slide it up. Don't go past the end right here because that full length needs to stick inside the housing for the light. We're gonna hit that with a heat gun in a second, guys. We're gonna do the second one. Be right back. Alright guys, that's it. It's done. Replace the digital lights. Oh yeah. And replace these little guys. They're the little lights, they're the power light and the FM light. Alright, here we got the new LED lights. We got the ones that I just replaced right here. And then one replaced right here. Wait. Right here. So that's all the lights replaced, brand new LEDs. It was really easy. As long as you knew how to solder, guys. Alright guys, here's my 650 Pioneer 1978. Turn it on. Bam! That light affixed, and a few lights on. That thing looks like equipment at a radio station, man. It looks nice. Alright guys, that's it. You can do it. Keep these things alive. I'm out.